Okay, one question I get asked quite a bit is how can I make this PDF something that my students can type on? There are some programs out there such as Kami and other things like I said earlier, Kami is something we can use. But I'm going to show you a hack that might just get you through for right now using Google Slides. So you're going to go to your Google Drive. And once you're here, let's go ahead and create a new Google Slides. So you have a few options. Some people, depending on what kind of document you're going to be using, some people you could leave it this way, just depending on the size of this piece, or you can go to File, Page Setup, and flip it to a custom size, which then we're going to put in that 8 by 11. So what that's going to do is flip your screen to look more like an 8 by 11 or that paper that you would have students working on. From here, you're going to need to open up that PDF that you're going to use. So this is just an example of a math problem set. And you're going to need to take a screenshot of this document. So whatever device you're on, it's different on most devices on how you take a screenshot. But you'll need to take a screenshot because that's going to save it as a JPEG. So whether, again, you decide to do the entire piece as a screenshot, or for this example, I really only need this chunk here. So I'm going to do a screenshot on my Mac. It's Command 4, I think, or something like that. Okay, and I take that screenshot. Then when I go back to my page here, I'm going to actually I'm going to insert, or excuse me, I need to make the background. So I need to go to background, choose image. And then from there, this just saved right on my desktop because it was a screenshot. I'm going to be able to put this picture as the background on the slide. Okay, so now all you have to do, and this depending on the age of your students, you might go in and add these text boxes for them, okay, on the doc or on the slide deck here. And then all they have to do, obviously they'll need to do the work on a separate piece of paper or something like that, but they'll just click here and then type in their answer. Probably want to use letters or some sort, okay? And they'll save there. So obviously with younger students, it's kind of teaching them, not to delete the box. And if they delete the box, then just how to go to text box and add a new text box for you. That's just going to take some time in teaching, but older students should know how to make a text box, and you could just show them or model that for them a few times and then tell them to add their own text boxes on the document. So how I get this then into my Google Classroom, once I've got all the text boxes ready to go, all I need to do is when I go to that Google Classroom to create an assignment, I'm going to add this document or this Google slide as their assignment. And I'm going to have it make a copy for each student. That way each student will have their own copy and be able to insert their own answers. So we'll go to insert, make a copy, and you can add the rest there. And like I said, when the student opens this up, they'll be able to put their own answers on their own Google Slides and then return it back to you.